One day after a record drop in share price put Facebook into the history books, this morning it appears to be Twitter's turn with a massive decline of its own. Twitter, like Facebook, is struggling to rid its social media site of hackers and fake accounts, and that's what's costing money. Scott Peterson is following this story for us. So yesterday it was Facebook, today it's Twitter. Is this the start of a bigger trend?
It might be. This is what investors are reacting to this morning, that Twitter shares are down 15%, and the new reality is these social media sites, whether it's Twitter or Facebook, have to be more accountable to the subscribers and to privacy, and that costs money. So these are the facts, and this is what investors are reacting to this morning as far as the decline on Twitter. That one, they reported that they have 335 million monthly users. Now, Twitter does not report on its daily users, so that's as close as we can get. Now, according to analysts, they were expecting that to go up by 1 million users, but it actually went down by 1 million users, and that seems to be the new reality because Twitter, like Facebook, has been, cutting down on hate speech, on spam, on the fake accounts, on abusive behavior. So they've been closing accounts, not opening them. That's what they're reacting to. So sales are actually up, but right now, Twitter, like Facebook, having to spend more on security. And for example, Twitter is now spending about $500 million. A lot of that to increase security costs because they have to be more accountable in this reality with governments watching them and with their subscriber base also worried about how much data these companies have as well.
So you're talking about reality. Is this a reality we're going to continue to see?
It is, and again, investors are sometimes they look into the future, and in the next foreseeable quarters, Facebook and Google and Twitter, for that matter, are saying to people that we're not going to make the money that we used to make because it's costing us more to maintain these accounts, and they're cleaning up these accounts. It's costing extra money, but the price to pay is a far lesser evil than if governments actually came in and started making regulation and fines, and so they're getting the house in order, and we're seeing that react with Twitter shares this morning as well.